Oh, my name's Bill Taylor. I'm a firearms instructor with the department. The owner of Zingers and Flingers was gracious enough to let us use the range today. And today we're just working on some various drills, some stationary shooting at various distances, as well as some moving and shooting, and working on malfunction drills a little bit in case an officer should have a malfunction with his weapon. They should know how to clear it.
All right, same thing. Again, we can go slow for form. I'll count it out. Phase 1 and phase 2. Stand by. Front! 11 fails to fire. Cap roll wrap. Okay. Reassess. There's still a threat. 11 fails to fire. Strip that mag right away. And wrap the slide. Couple times. Front! Front! Cap roll wrap. Strip the mag, wrap the slide, insert new mag, chamber around. Okay. Okay, reach down, grab new mag, insert round. Eyes and ears.
Firearms are so crucial to law enforcement and having to protect yourself and other people. The more proficient you are and the more skill that you have in firearms, the better off you are, and you can keep yourself and other people safe. We have to be accountable for every single shot that we take. If there's civilians around or a hostage situation, we have to be accountable for every single round we shoot. And that's why we practice every month, is to make sure that we maintain that proficiency with our firearms.